Hey there, fellow Navy Federal members. If you're tired of making trips to the bank just to deposit a check, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of depositing a check using the Navy Federal mobile app, right from the comfort of your home. This feature is a game changer for saving time and staying on top of your finances. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have the Navy Federal Credit Union app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, download it from your app store and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make banking effortless. Now, let's get to the steps. Start by opening the app and navigating to the home screen. Look for the Deposit or Mobile Check Deposit option. It's usually front and center or in the main menu for easy access. Next, select the account where you want the funds to go. Before you proceed, don't forget to endorse your check by signing the back and adding, "For mobile deposit only," to ensure it's processed smoothly. Then, tap the camera icon in the app. It will prompt you to take photos of both the front and back of the check. Make sure the images are clear, well lit, and show the entire check without any glare. This is key to avoiding errors. After snapping the photos, the app will ask you to enter the exact amount of the check. Double-check this step to prevent any delays in processing. Once that's done, review all the details on the summary screen. If everything looks good, hit the Submit button, and you'll receive a confirmation notification almost instantly. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like the app not accepting the photo, try retaking it in better lighting or contact Navy Federal support through the app. Funds typically clear in 1 to 2 business days, so keep an eye on your account. And there you have it. Depositing a check with the Navy Federal app is that straightforward. It's a hassle-free way to manage your money on the go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.